Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a really cute LPS Collie. So to start off, you're going to need some paper because you draw on paper and some markers. I have a couple different ones. Just a plain Crayola marker. It works good for me. A pencil to sketch it out. I like these ColorZendo markers. I found them in Walmart once. And a good old super Sharpie. It's dual tip. So first you're going to want to start the sketch. I always start with the head, which is just a big circle. It's a bit hard to see, but give it a sec. It should come into focus. Sort of. You can kind of get the idea of it. See, there it goes. Better. So you see, you got a big circle, and now you're going to want to draw the body, which is really just a long, oval shape. Very ovally oval. And just some little sticks to kind of basically put out the skeleton. And a little tail. And just some guidelines for the face. And we're going to add some of the little cheeks. Very fluffy collie cheeks. And some circles just to rough out the shape of where the ears are going to be. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. I start with big circles for the eyes. Like that. And a little nose. And a happy little smile because every LPS looks happy. And I'm going to add some cheek fluff. Lovely, lovely. Just like that. And that little dip in the head. I don't really know what that is, but it's on there. And now we're going to do the big flopsy ear shape. It's hard to describe how I do it, but it's just a bit of a long flop. They're very floppy. And then the neck. And now we're going to move on to the legs. They're very fluffy. Very fluffy legs and little toes. Like that. Lots of leg fur. And tiny little toe beans. And some chest fluff too. Collies have very, very fluffy chests. And now the back legs. You can look up images online of what the back of dogs' legs look like the shape. It really helps. Took me a while to get it. And more leg fluff. Now we're adding all that big fluffy tail. And some big ovals for the center of the eyes. And then I usually just do a nice little curvy line over to be like the eye line. And some eyelashes. Lovely little eyelashes. And I'm just going to keep darkening the outside of, I think that's the iris. And now we're going to add some eye shines. And some more eye shines. I like the light to come usually from the top right. That's where I like to have it. I'm just going to shade in this area that's, I like to have black. And then the bottom area is usually filled with color. Perfect. Now I'm going to ink it. I don't really have much to say about inking. It's pretty straightforward. You ink the parts that you do want to have, but don't ink like the guideline and stuff that's not really supposed to be inked. Unless you want to. It's completely up to you. It's your drawing. Do what you want. You be you. It's you do you. Floppy ear shape again. Ear tufts. Fluffy neck tufts. Long Legos. Ink those. I like a thick line on my drawings. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. Now we're going to go into some details. like the toes and close-ups of all the fur. And of course, make sure you sign your artwork. Yeah, cute little heart. Alright, now we're gonna erase everything. Sorry, the camera's got a bit of an earthquake going on. The force of erasing. Alright, there we go. I think it looks great. So next, I'm going to show you how to draw a more cuter and simpler version of the collie. Double tutorial, eh? Start with a circle. And everything's really big, so you can feel free to exaggerate. Got 2 little circles for the body, very chubby. Stick legs. You don't have to worry too much about the dog leg anatomy when you're trying to keep things cute. Stick tail, eye guide. There really isn't too much to the eyes on this one. Little heart shapes to the ear. And more cheek fluff. Very pointy, very simple. You can't really go wrong with cute, simple things. Now I'm just gonna go over and ink it. One thing that, a big helpful tip on how to keep things really cute in your really simple, cute kawaii drawings is the placement of the eyes. If they're lower and wider, like farther apart on the face and lower down on the face, it looks cuter. And I'm just keeping these legs very simple, just long noodles. And now to add some details, like the toes, the toe beans, and the little toes. And of course, a cute little smile. Then you can erase, and bam, there we go. Force of kawaii is too strong. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and send me your drawings. I'd love to see them. Just tag me on Instagram. I'm daisiilps on Instagram, DAISIILPS, pretty easy. And yeah, be sure to show me your drawings with the hashtag daisiilps. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.